Today I'm going to continue on the eteams CRM. So we go to the customer, right? The Singapore demo customer we created before. So from here, right, we already see there's some information here. So some contact information. Of course, you can add new. Make a phone call to understand more requirement. Yeah. So you just like maybe here we just dial, right? And then send. So you can always going to record down what you discuss with your customer here to enable others will be involved, right? Be easy to understand what your existing communication with your customers. So we already have some contact information here. We get a reminder for next Tuesday to contact the customer. So today we're going to talk about opportunities. We can create a new opportunity based on this customer, or we can turn the business opportunities. So for my own, right, I'm normally going to create the short for the customer SDCPO, eteams purchase. And then the opportunity, right, is first meeting, and the sales amount maybe 20,000, and then the opportunity is 60%. The source is self-resource. Opportunity type is not important. Company date, maybe you can just close at end of this month. And tips, customer also looking for an email client which could send email from CRM. Now, this is definitely our functions inside the system. Of course, here we have something like the tapping arrows, so save. So you see you have a opportunity here. So on this opportunity, right, you can go into edit on how it going to continue, right? So for example, I'm going to have this contact, right, first meeting. CRM is a key requirement. Yeah, so for this one, right, you record down what is your first meeting. So this is something first. Second, you want to have some participant to help you to do pre-sales, right? And then important, this is very important. And the channel, which customer, right, you get from. And also you can go to have that view log, operation log, the same things. Any competitor here, you can also like increase some competitor here. Maybe for this one, yeah, you have one competitor here. And what kind of product you're going to sell, right? So here maybe you have some that product you can sell to the customer. What is the price? Like 200, 20,000 conforms. And one more thing is in the reminder. What is your next meetings, right? You can set a reminder. So this is not for the opportunities. I can close this one. So for this opportunity, right, you can also going to follow up for the customers. Now, for these operations, you can go to print, you can page editing, you can do a lot of things here. You can also follow for these customers opportunities. So it's easier for you to follow their status. Of course, also here, right, we have a statics report. You can do some statics here. Like can communicate with customer one times for this week, for this 2 week, this month, last month. You can always go to check the records from here. So same things inside the system, right? It always going to provide link items. You can go always going to link customer. Of course, right? Because this is that our Singapore demo customers, we can going to link with these customers. So after they click on the opportunity itself, right, they can go into check what is the customer status. Let me click the customer, right? It's easy for us come to the customer. Inside the customer itself, right? We can always go to the opportunities. Like for here, we can always go to check the opportunities. So all the information are linked with each others. Easy for you going to drill down to some other informations, right? So it's very easy one. So this is like opportunities. Now for here, right, there are not operations. For here is like transfer to contract. So the opportunity can transfer to orders, transfer to contract. Order and contract, two different ways to manage the customer order or customer contract. So I will talk about customer contract and customer order in next sessions. So that's all for today. The customer opportunities. Thank you.